baking soda, eggs, sugar, salt, flour, vinegar, sour cream, strawberries, 1 pack of dry cottage cheese, but you can also use ricotta cheese, farmer's cheese or quark. When they're starting to brown, we're just gonna turn them around and you can see how much they puffed up. So just gently flip them over. Oh wow. We're going to need large onion, flour, salt and pepper, eggs, oil and some potatoes. Chop your onion nice and fine. I'm going to use my food processor to grate my potatoes, but you can also do it by hand. Place your grated potato into a bowl of cold water and we're going to leave it for about 10 minutes. This way it's not going to go brown and we also get rid of any unwanted starch. In your bowl, add your onion, add eggs, add salt and pepper, add flour. Once you have drained your potato, squeeze any excess moisture out again, and the potato needs to be very, very dry. Add your potato into the bowl. Mix it all together really, really well. Add oil and butter into your pan. When your pan is nice and hot, place about 1 tablespoon of your potato mixture in there. And we're going to cook it for a couple of minutes, 4 to 5 on each side until nice and golden. Place your potato pancakes onto a paper towel to get rid of any excess fat. We're going to need flour, egg, apple, buttermilk or kefir, sunflower oil, vanilla extract, baking soda, pinch of salt and sugar. In a bowl, add your egg. Add grated apple. Add a little bit of oil into your pan. You can see my mixture is nice and thick and it's ready to be fried. Place 1 tablespoon of mixture into your hot pan. When you see the bubbles come up on top, that's when we're going to turn our pancakes, our ладушки, so just gently flip them over. having a pancake party today, so I'm using a lot of ingredients, but you can just halve them. But the basic stuff we need is salt, eggs, sugar, milk, sunflower oil and flour. We are looking for a nice and smooth mixture, just like that. Add a little bit of butter into your pan. Take your pan and a full ladle. Just gonna bring it closer together. Just pour it down, and then we're gonna go down all the way around to cover the whole pan. Just like that. And we're gonna cook it until it's cooked on one side and then turn it around. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe on how to make Russian blini or pancakes. I think these are perfect for brunches, breakfast. Let me know in comments below what is your favorite filling on pancake and how you like to eat it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It makes me really happy, and I'll see you soon. Bye! In a bowl, add your dry cottage cheese or farmer's cheese, then add sour cream and sugar, and you want to mix everything together. You need to make sure that you use dry cottage cheese, as it's not going to work with wet cottage cheese. Mix everything together until you get nice smooth texture, and then use a hand blender and blitz everything together until you sort of puree the cottage cheese so it becomes nice and even and very smooth, just like this. Then add freshly squeezed lemon juice and lemon zest. This is completely optional, you can keep it just plain. And mix everything together. I do really love the lemon flavor. Then add your raisins and make sure they're soaked and not dry. And then mix everything together until you get this beautiful cottage cheese mixture. Now take your pancake, place it onto your board. Add 1 large tablespoon of your mixture and spread it around nice and even. And then you just want to start rolling it up. I like a lot of filling inside my pancakes. So start rolling it up from the sides and the middle until you sort of come together to a cute pancake. How cute are these? So you want to repeat the process with the rest of your pancakes and your cottage cheese mixture. I really love these. These are so delicious, so creamy, and you can freeze them and enjoy them for the next 3 months whenever you want. If you're planning to eat them straight away, then I suggest you add a bit of butter with oil into your pan. Make sure it's nice and hot, and you want to add your pancakes and crispy them from both sides until they're nice and golden, and you will see this beautiful color at the end. So flip them around and cook them on the other side. They're so yummy, guys. I can't even believe how delicious they are. So serve them with some icing sugar or on its own with sour cream. It's completely up to you. I love to eat them with strawberry jam, some extra berries, and of course sour cream. And they're very smooth inside, very crispy outside. It's better to eat them hot because they taste really good, but you can also eat them cold. Basically, blini are eaten any time of the day, anywhere, and can be enjoyed at any time. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you make these. Thank you for watching.